that showcase the beauty of my barangay, one of the most visited place not only in San Juan but also in Batolan. Come, kain mo yan, a place where you can venture different activities and feel the summer breeze in Licatu. See the paradising remnants of the Virgin Island caused by Typhoon Doy in the year 2009. A place where you can create wonderful memories with your loved ones. We all know that when there's good view, there's good food. So come and visit the Gulayan in our barangay where variety of plants are found. It is rich in soil that makes vegetable growth healthy. Imbibe the beautiful scenery of our mountains that can be your guide towards exploring the ravishing places of San Juan.
This is the home of Kabiyawan, Barangay San Juan.
Surrounding myself with the people who truly believes and encourage me to go further with my dreams made me more confident about myself. And as a person who have faith, this made me even stronger to overcome fears and regrets I have. I grew up in a family where it fostered kindness, love, and understanding.
This is yung mutya ng Barangay San Juan, Princess Anne Macleason Darden, and I truly believe that I am fearfully and wonderfully made.
This is Johnson Gail Cruz Arara, yung mutya ng Batolan Turismo, Barangay Batol na po. Mabuhay! Welcome to the heart of Batolan, Barangay Batol na po. It is the center of all barangays and home to the municipality of Batolan, which is effectively the state government's response to the growing need for certain public services such as education. Batolan has the Lyceum of Western Luzon and the Polytechnic College of Batolan, which provide courses in international certificates. Batolan has the Triangle, which fostered bayanihan by organizing a fruit and vegetable planting contest early January. A public market that you can buy your daily necessities. My barangay has a lot to offer, which is why living in Baton will always be a pleasure for us Batolenos.